Alright, what's up YouTube? Hey, so I got a little update on the truck today. I had a lot of footage showing the truck of everything that I've done to it since I got it. I got wheels and tires, tinted the windows, lowered it just a little bit, did exhaust cutouts, stuff like that. And I never got around to editing all that footage to make a video to kind of show the truck and how it's sat. Anyway, here at work, it was a little slow here. Pulled it in just to paint one door was all. And in that, I started sanding down and got carried away. And now, this is the truck now. These are just cheap eBay, Amazon cap corners. Very generic. Really cheap. Right here, there's these ones. It comes in a pair, so only one side was bad. You see right here. I don't know why, for some reason. It has like this corner. All of them have this chipped corner for some reason. It's weird. It's not the greatest finish, and it's pretty rough. You can see there's a flat spot right here, and it you kind of see it on the truck too. I wish I would have noticed before that. We could have hammered it out a little bit. This is why I replaced it. This cap corner here, pretty typical on these ones. Looks good. I mean, we should have just cut like right here in line with the body there, and maybe you wouldn't have been able to see the weld so much, and not weld as much anyway, because if you were to cut here, you don't have to weld just a little bit here, and here, compared to cutting the whole thing where we had to weld all this, this, and down that way. Yeah, we didn't think about it until after I had cut it. I was like, oh my god, why did we do this? We could have just freaking cut it way smaller. But that's whatever. It's already done. Nothing you can do. But anyone thinking of doing this, getting these cheap eBay ones, I plan it a little better to follow some lines, maybe only cut out what's bad. 30 bucks. I think it was like $40 with shipping both sides. It seems like it's gonna do just fine. You know, I'm gonna put some primer, some body filler. I think it'll blend in nicely. Obviously that it's been fixed, you know, it's straight. Here local to me, found 2 dashes that are in great condition. They're from, well, all these parts are from retired military trucks, so that's why they have a little bit of green, you know. That's why these don't have vents. But yeah, they're perfect. Passenger door was pretty bad, but a ton of Bondo from someone else already. That's why we got this door over here, that door there. Both really straight. Should be pretty easy to sand. I'm going just a single stage, kind of just make it one color, not getting ready for SEMA or nothing. So it kind of looks cool. It's a little hot rod. All right, that'll be it for this video. It was just a small little channel update about the truck, what I've been doing to it. Nothing crazy. There's still a lot of work to do on it. I understand that. But I did just get a new car. But it is snowing, so I haven't been able to drive it or to show it. But once the weather gets better, I would definitely be updating the channel on that. well, I mean, obviously if it's snowing, I can't drive it. But pretty excited about that. Hopefully I don't get too distracted off of the truck, and you know, with this new car, you know how that is. Every time you get a new car, you know, you just want to get everything done on that one, and you push your projects out of the way. But I really enjoy driving the truck. Me and my wife both love being in it, and you know, summer nights, driving, cruising, super fun truck. I think it's funner than, you know, my 6-speed Subaru, honestly. It's just so different. But thank you for watching. Stay tuned for those videos on the new car. I would try to post more about the truck and the body work that we're doing. You know, I'm no professional. This is my first time ever doing any kind of body work. But thank you, and peace.